now, what I said, okay, Monte Carlo Simulations, do not pick this, do not pick this, you know, just don't pick the outliers. Only pick the colored ones in your simulation. So it went from something like this. No. So my clustering algorithm is able to identify outliers. So if you recall this, we had a line going like that, and that didn't predict how it's going to be in the future, because really, we wanted this line to be we didn't want such a big slope on this line. We wanted a smaller slope. And so now, our algorithm was able to decide, oh, look at this change right here. This is an outlier, this is an anomaly. So forget everything to left it, and only just focus on stuff like this. So now look how good the line is. This is a great line, you know? But there's still some problems. I mean, if you see here, these are definitely anomalies. But look at how far these two are. These two are from here. But they're not that far, honestly. I mean, this is like 0.3, and this is 0, so it's only a difference of 0.3. Well, wait, so my clustering algorithm was based on the distance between the two, but maybe there's a different way. In fact, there is a different way. It's called assigning a number a local outlier factor. So now each historical data point is assigned a number between 0 and infinity of how outlier-ish you are. So if you have 1, this is just, I can get into the math if you ask a question, but if you assign a number a 1, then that means it's definitely not an outlier at all. But if you assign a number 10, then you're saying, oh yeah, you're definitely an outlier. And so the bigger the circle here, the more likely you are to be an outlier. So like you can see right here, oh yeah, these guys are definitely outliers, and you can see, oh man, look how big these circles are. Whereas here, the circles are small, which means, oh, they're definitely not outliers. Now, you also, if you want to use how outlierish you are, well, there's a problem because, right, the local outlier factor assigns a number between 0 and infinity. Okay, so really what I want is a number between 0% and 100% for how likely you are to be an outlier. So what I did is I had this curve right here that changes based on the numbers I input, which are assigned based on the historical data points. And I'd say, okay, if you're assigned a local outlier factor of 6, then I look you up on this curve, and I say, okay, a 6 corresponds to 74% likely to be an outlier. Okay, so now, for every single point, I have a probability of how likely you are to be an outlier. So now, rather than in my Monte Carlo simulation of equally randomly picking the points, I can say, okay, equally randomly pick the points, but once you pick the point, now roll a dice, and if you get a number between 1 and 74, then don't use that number in your simulation. Find another number. But if you roll a number between 75 and 100, then, oh yeah, use that number. So I'm basically giving weights to how likely it is to pick a number in my Monte Carlo simulation. And that proved pretty well. And here you can see is like a whole trove of information, of predictions. And on the left is the linear regression that I had from earlier that would identify the outliers using clustering. And on here is the Monte Carlo simulations, and I'm combining them. And I'm producing stuff, and I'm sending emails, and I'm setting up task schedulers, and I'm trying to set up a dashboard too. And I have a whole lot more to do because I still have a month here. But this is what I have so far. So, questions? That's it.
Overwhelmed.
Was there a question?
No, I said that was it.
Yeah.
I got it. Where was your biggest aha moment?
Oh, biggest biggest
Sounds like you had some.
biggest aha was definitely, I even have a picture. You can see what I wrote when I discovered it. Blustering epiphany. You see, I wrote, the greatest epiphany I've had at work has just entered my mind, baby. The original thought of clustering seemed like a bad idea. Why? Because what if I had a graph like this, blah, 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 blah. But I figured it out, had to go like that. That was really the biggest aha.
You should say more notes called the core
And
letters.
That is awesome, man.
Okay, but there's one more slide that I have to go. It's not another graph.
Is there more numbers?
Nope. It is English letters. It says, he asked for a beer and wine.
What the f?
Oh.
I don't get it.
That's the
He said, a skeleton walked into the bar. He asked